Gift your body 10 unbroken minutes each day. Sit, breathe, and imagine your body as you would love to see it, alive, energetic, and beautiful. Don't visualize to fix or overcome. Visualize for delight, not defect. Choose celebration over correction. Hold this loving, joyful picture often enough, and in time, your body rearranges itself. What you bless blossoms.
हमारा काफ़ी ध्यान या अटेंशन रहता है कि हम स्वस्थ कैसे रहें, हाउ वी रिवर्स आवर एज, हमारी यूथनेस कैसी बनी रहे। हम लोग डाइट का ध्यान रखते हैं, जिम जाते हैं, एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, एंड विल गो टू स्पा, विल गो टू ब्यूटी पार्लर। लॉट ऑफ आवर एनर्जी एंड टाइम इज कंज्यूम फॉर आवर बॉडी, एंड व्हाई नॉट? आवर बॉडी इज अ व्हीकल, इट इज आवर सोल इन एक्शन, इट इज अ बॉडी विच हाउसेज आवर सोल. So it is important to take care of the body, but at the same time, with little time you can get much better results. अगर हम रोज 5 मिनट या रोज 10 मिनट आंखें बंद करके सिर्फ विजुलाइज करें, यू नो, वैसा देखें जैसे हम अपने शरीर को देखना चाहते हैं, एज इफ ऑलरेडी है. वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू डू विथ योर बॉडी, एज इफ यू ऑलरेडी डूइंग इट. सिट, ब्रीथ एंड इमेजिन योर बॉडी एज यू वुड लव टू सी इट, अलाइव, एनर्जेटिक एंड ब्यूटिफुल. डोंट विजुअलाइज टू फिक्स और ओवरकम. हमें ये नहीं देखना है कि अरे ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये ठीक हो जाए. एज इफ ऑलरेडी ठीक है, एज इफ ऑलरेडी स्वस्थ है, एज इफ यू ऑलरेडी एक्टिव, अलाइव, एनर्जेटिक. सो सी इट एज इफ यू ऑलरेडी देयर. इवन इफ यू हैव एनी डिजीज और एनी डिसेबिलिटी, just ignore it. When you sit, as if it was never there, as if there is no disease, as if you are perfectly healthy, right? So don't visualize to fix it or overcome. Visualize for delight, not defect. It's like a delight. It's like a feast. It's like a mental feast you are having with your body, right? Visualize for delight. It's a delight to see how would you like it to be, right? It's not fixing some defect. Visualize for delight, not defect. Choose celebration over correction. You're here to celebrate your body. Not that, oh, I have a problem with this, so I want to fix this. So you are doing this exercise to celebrate your body. Be grateful for your body. Be thankful for your body. Rejoice in your body and see it mentally. You're doing it, you're rehearsing it, you're feeling it, right? Fully feel it. Hold this loving, joyful picture often enough. So it's mind over matter. Eventually, body is matter, right? When your mind gives those signals, give those images to your body, the body will rearrange to make that happen. The body will show the evidence of it as your perfect health. And whatever you're doing, multifold, it will enhance. This simple thing will enhance the food you eat. That food will do good for your body. The exercise will be much more effective for your body. The nutrition or the supplements you take, which will be much more helpful for your body. And you'll meet the right people at the right time, which will give you the right guidance for your physical health. So everything will start aligning itself for your body to keep in the state in which you have visualized it to be. So what you bless blossoms. जिस चीज को आप अपना आशीर्वाद देते हैं, वो आपके लिए आशीर्वाद बन जाता है, वो खिल उठता है. जब हम अपने शरीर को आशीर्वाद देंगे, तो शरीर हमारे लिए आशीर्वाद बन जाएगा.